to Joints Parang Mafia.
Nice fresco. Wow. Do you really wanna fuck with me? Northside hustler, 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 hustler. Do you really wanna fuck with me?
Yo, may endorse ako sa inyo. Ito ang placemat na may bulsa. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, gawa din kayo ng ganito dahil it's presentable and nice, bro. Kakain nga na, ganito lang. Sure. Diba? With effects. Very nice. Tal, may bulsa yung placemat, bro.
Anong kinakain mo, sir?
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko mabasa. Anong na to ulit, tol?
Kimamatar.
Kimamatar.
Shit, may pita bread pa. Pita bread yan.
Oo, pita yan
Northside hustler, 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 hustler.
You really wanna fuck with me? Northside hustler, 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 hustler.
Do you really wanna fuck with me?
Where did you eat, sir?
Nakakain ko sa Indian food at ito ang kanilang parang hostel. And it's nice. Baka dito na ako next.